Hello everyone. Today we will talk about that 5 little windows, and let's start with the operation tree. Now, first of all, uh, there are some operations here, and they have a relationship of a parent and a child here. For example, as you can see in milling operation, there are no commands, no cutting modes, no events, and no words. This doesn't mean that there is no milling operation, of course, but it is taking that commands, cutting modes, events, and words from its parent. And as you can see in the second window, there are commands. Maybe you are familiar with those names. I'm not too familiar, but kind of. And there are cutting modes and events. And events have some actions, and those actions are calling the commands. So in these 5 windows, everything is connected somehow. We will talk about that. And there are some words here. So in this third window, you can see that it's kind of like a whiteboard. You can see everything you click here in this window. And so let's go to that window. There are configuration variables, custom variables, and scripts. And we will talk about this window a little bit later. And there is that last window, NC Analyze. You can see the NC code here, and you can right-click on the code and go to Operation. You know which code is in which operation, and you can see it's in which command. You can see it's in format motion helical. So as I said, everything is connected with everything. And we will talk about it in details in another video because it needs expertise. For now, I think this is okay. I hope you understand. So if you have any questions, you can just comment. You can contact me from LinkedIn or you can just email. So, okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching and follow me for more. Take care. Bye.